Did you know a rhinoceros's horn is made of keratin? That's the same protein found in human hair and nails. Did you know starfish can eat by ejecting their stomachs? They push their stomachs out of their bodies to digest food externally. Did you know polar bears have fur that's actually transparent? It looks white because it reflects visible light. Did you know baby puffins are called pufflings? They stay in burrows until they're ready to fly. Did you know zebras' stripes act as a natural bug repellent? The stripes confuse flies and keep them away. Follow Trivia Orb for more fascinating facts.